Hello traders, good evening. This is Ali Abbas with Stock Daddy 41. Thank you so much for tuning in. If you have not already subscribed, please do subscribe for daily videos on our trades. So going today, Bank Nifty June futures, a very interesting thing before I start with the analysis, post market analysis. That is, Bank Nifty rallied 1500 points today, and Nifty barely moved. All the other sectors apart from banking and finance dragged kept Nifty down. Basically, it didn't let Nifty move up along with Bank Nifty, so that shows the power of all the other sectors against Bank Nifty. Anyway, so at 9:20 the VWAP was over here at 4679, so I went with 5679, so I went with 5700. And this was the call option that we were observing. The premiums really shot up. I mean, this was at around 65.70, as you can see, closing yesterday, and suddenly it just opened one above 100 and went on to 300, 400, 600. So I just stayed with the VWAP as shown over here. All right, and VWAP was quite subtle today, not some big moves with the VWAP today. So we got our first call over here to sell right over here at 590. As you can see, it pops up over here. Okay, so 589, 590 basically it was the entry point, with the first target at 542, second target at 495, third target at 401. Within 10 minutes all the targets were met, and this was the final exit point. So as I always do, I keep trailing a stop loss of the fourth lot. Now one lot was booked here, second lot was booked at the second target, third lot was booked at the third target. So there was a lot of it was just one direction movement, so I kept trailing the stop loss. And some around here, when this did not break the low, that is where I understood that okay, we have to give a very close stop loss. So I shifted it at the bottom over here, thinking that there will be a price action and this will break the lows, but that wasn't the case. It came and hit back over here, so the exit was around 230, 233. I'll share that in the Excel sheet later on. Then again, after 12 o'clock, the VWAP was at 5800 level, so I was monitoring Bank Nifty 5900 call option. Even though the market was just firing like insane today, I kept my cool and I saw a good opportunity over here in the shorting. So let's just expand this. Right, so the entry came over here, as you can see, short exactly at the top level over here. The entry was at 360 with the stop loss at 417. So the first target was at 331, and then we took the second target at 302, and I shifted the stop loss at cost, and that is where this big candle, good thing that I shifted the stop loss to cost, so I eliminated all the risk. It is very important to eliminate risk, guys. Once you're taking partial profit booking, eliminate the risk so that you keep this profit in your pocket. That was one. And then the another entry came over here, which was to short again, and the level is not shown because one single candle took it all out. So the entry was at 520 and the stop loss was 603 over here. As you can see, it's a very faint red dot, but somewhere over here was the entry. And yeah, sorry, over here was the entry, 517, and 603 was the exit as stop loss got hit. Then another entry came over here. Now this was the beautiful part. Okay, so the entry came over here, 894, and the stop loss was at 1042. Now since this premium was very high, I went with a smaller premium. The VWAP was at 51,100. So since Bank Nifty at that time was above 51,700, what I did was, the premium being too high and very close to closing, the wild swings can just happen and knock you out. So it's 51,800. I'll have to go back and check the order book. So Bank Nifty futures over here was at 51,800, 900. So here we got the exact top buying, shorting at 227, and this just went to zero. So here all the points were collected after the booking of the third target at 152, which was over here basically. Yeah, over here. Okay, so it just kept going lower and lower and lower. So that is where I started trailing my stop loss from cost to, I waited for this candle to close, and I kept the opening of this candle as stop loss, and then this went down, then I just dragged it here, and this went down, I just dragged it here and started not only eliminating the risk, but to take bigger profits as well. So, and then I exited at 0. So this was the call side today. Now for the put side. Yeah, 5700 put option. There was no trade at all, and the premium just kept crashing, and there was nothing to do over here. Now you run trade on premiums of 20, 30, 40, 50. So we pushed it up a little bit, and after 12 o'clock, the VWAP was at 5900. Yeah, after 12 o'clock, the premiums being very low, we did not trade into this. We wanted something above 250 to 300 so that there's a good delta on it. So what I did was I went for 51,500 put option. That at that time that was a good premium to trade on. Yeah, over here 300 plus. So the a trade triggered over here will give a buy. 1 second. Okay, it gave a buy at 367, and the first target was not met. It straight away hit our stop loss over here at 309. Yeah, the next candle. It didn't touch our first target, so we lost all the points over here. Then again it gave a buy signal over here at 145. So we took this. The first target was met in the first candle, second target in the second candle. Stop loss was shifted to cost, and that saved us. So this entire what the stop loss was here at 250, we shifted it to cost so that the risk is eliminated. Important, guys. It's always important when you do partial profit booking, start reducing your risk. And when you get the second target, eliminate the risk completely so that you keep the profit in your pocket. Right after that, it just came down. Nothing was happening. Then I think we shifted to 51,700 put just to observe, and there was nothing at this point also. But whoever bought here at 50-60 made 8x returns, which was really healthy for them. So this is the trades for today, and I'll just take you to the Excel sheet and see how many points we gathered.
So guys, all in all, a very good day, very productive day. Total 6 trades, where the first trade was the 5700 call option, which we shorted to 589, a total of 685 points collected. That would have been the day for us. However, over trading can damage you. As you can see, 685 was the initial points, then the extra trades that I unnecessarily or necessarily could have avoided came down to 629 total. All in all, we crossed the 2000 mark, which I'm very happy about. So trade 1 was selling of the call, then trade 2 was also selling of the call. That happened at 240. That was a great move, 224 to 0. Then we had a put buy at 135, which went completely against us. Then we had another put buy in 10 minutes later on the same strike at 300, which gave us 2 profits, and the rest was traded to cost, where we managed to save from a big fall. Then there was another sell of a call at 145, where we got 2 targets, but after that it just pulled back and knocked us out at cost. Then at 2 o'clock also we got a sell call at 5900, 520, and this went to 603, losing us 332 points. Net, we made 629 points today. So we've crossed 2149, and now we are very close to our next milestone of 2500. I hope you like the video. Please do like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you tomorrow. Thank you.